In this video, I will show you how to work into the back loop only of the next stitch. I'll be using a 3mm crochet hook and a super fine weight yarn such as DMC Happy Cotton. Usually, you will insert your crochet hook under both legs of the stitch you're about to work. When a pattern states back loop only, just insert the hook under the back loop of the next stitch from front to back. And I'm working a double crochet as normal. So instead of going in here, we're going to go into the back loop and work our double crochet as normal. You will use this technique for each stitch that you do.